Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best garage seal is probably one of the most overlooked components of a garage door, yet it plays a crucial role in maintaining a comfortable and secure garage environment. A worn or damaged seal can lead to drafts, pests, and even water damage, significantly impacting your garage's functionality and the overall value of your home. In this video, we will explore the top garage door floor seal strips on the market, helping you choose the perfect seal to keep your garage protected and efficient. Number 5. Universal Garage Seal. It's 20 feet long, so you can easily cut it to fit your garage door. The width is 3.5 inches, providing a great seal. This keeps water, snow, and leaves out of your garage. It creates a tight seal to keep your garage cleaner and quieter. Made from flexible rubber, it can withstand extreme temperatures and daily use. It won't crack, dry out, or break. Installation is quick and simple. Each seal is slightly longer than needed, ensuring a perfect fit. We offer a 180-day warranty and friendly customer service. Contact us anytime for assistance. What we like. It's incredibly long, so you can adjust it to fit your garage. Installation is a breeze, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Plus, its durable rubber construction ensures it'll last. If you need a long-lasting, easy-to-install seal, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to install and fit under the garage door perfectly. I did not glue it down, it stays in place without any adhesives. Super easy install, I used alien tape instead of liquid adhesive to secure it to the garage floor. I think it looks great and it keeps the rain and bugs out. The quality of the material looked good right out of the box. It was easy to lay out and install. Looks good and is working good so far. Number 4. Jin&Bao Garage Seal. It effectively prevents water, snow, dust, and leaves from entering your garage, keeping it clean and dry. This improves the overall look and protects your belongings from the elements. It's built to withstand extreme temperatures, from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 284 degrees Fahrenheit. It won't crack, dry out, or break, ensuring long-lasting performance. The bright yellow safety strip makes it highly visible, and the anti-slip ridges enhance safety. The grooved base ensures excellent adhesion to your garage floor. Installation is quick and easy. You can easily cut it to fit your garage door if needed. It's safe to use on various surfaces. With a total length of 12 feet, it provides comprehensive coverage for most garage doors. The dimensions are 3.7 inches wide and 0.6 inches high. We're committed to your satisfaction. Enjoy a 360-day warranty in our friendly customer support, available around the clock. What we like. This one comes with a handy safety strip for better visibility, and its anti-slip design adds an extra layer of safety. It's ideal if you prioritize safety and visibility in your garage. If you're looking for added safety features, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Survived the first rain and fared extremely well. This was super easy to put down on our smooth garage surface. It's very thick and heavy plastic, so I feel like this will last. The threshold seal strip works perfectly. Installation was straightforward. The threshold seal is made from a hard, dense, durable rubber. It bonded extremely well to the cement floor and has showed no signs of loosening or lifting. Number 3. Garage Seal Strip. This innovative garage door seal is made from durable EPDM rubber, designed to withstand harsh weather and daily wear and tear. It's perfect for various garage floor types. It effectively blocks water, leaves, dust, and other debris from entering your garage. This helps maintain a cleaner, drier, and more comfortable space. It creates a tight seal, keeping your garage cool in summer and warm in winter, which helps lower your energy bills. It's a simple way to save money and energy. It's quick and easy to install, and you can easily cut it to fit your garage door's specific dimensions. Installation is a breeze, with instant results. The bright yellow safety strip enhances visibility, and the anti-slip ridges improve safety for both people and vehicles. It's designed with your safety and convenience in mind. It's made from flexible EPDM rubber, ensuring it won't crack or break under extreme temperatures or constant use. It's built to last. What we like. This is another great option with a considerable length and a focus on energy efficiency. The durable rubber ensures a long lifespan, saving you money in the long run. If you're looking for a durable, energy-efficient seal, this is a great option. What people say. You cannot find an easier way to stop your garage door leakage. This is a high-quality product that is easy to install. Very effective, just line the threshold right behind the bottom of the garage door so that the rubber bump covers any possible gaps between the door and the concrete porch. The door is sealed from cold, leaves, water, and pests. We moved to a new home that had the rain puddle in the garage every time it rained. This garage floor strip stopped all that once installed. It also helps keep the worms out when it rains. It also helps seal the entry from snow blowing under the door in the winter. Number 2. ToLanbbt Garage Seal. This innovative seal is made from durable EPDM rubber, designed to withstand harsh weather and daily wear and tear. It's perfect for various garage floor types. It effectively blocks water, leaves, dust, and other debris from entering your garage. Enjoy a cleaner, drier, and more comfortable space. This seal creates a tight fit, helping to keep your garage cool in summer and warm in winter. Save money on energy bills while enhancing comfort. It comes with adhesive for quick and easy installation. You can easily cut it to fit your specific needs using a sharp knife or shears. The bright yellow safety strip increases visibility, while anti-slip ridges enhance safety for both people and vehicles. The grooved base ensures excellent adhesion. It's built to last, resisting cracking and damage. It's a worthwhile investment for protecting your garage and saving energy. What we like. It comes with adhesive, saving you a step in the installation process. It's also easy to install and cut to size. If you want a convenient, quick installation, this is the one for you. What people say. Even a caveman like me could install it easily within minutes. And it works. No water in garage. No more sweeping out. The process was so easy that one can do it yourself. Totally, saves you on pest cold fees. It actually went quite easy and has been in place several months without a slippage or loosening. The glue included was all that was needed for the installation. It has taken care of the problem. Number 1. Weather Defender Seal Kit. It creates a tight seal to prevent water, leaves, and debris from entering your garage. Keep your garage clean and dry with this superior protection. It features anti-slip ridges, a high-visibility yellow safety line, and a serrated base for excellent adhesion. This innovative design ensures a secure and long-lasting seal. It's made from a durable, eco-friendly PVC that can withstand heavy vehicles. It's tough enough for even the most demanding garage environments. Installation is simple and requires no drilling. Just follow the easy-to-understand instructions and you'll have it fitted in minutes. It comes with an extremely strong adhesive to ensure a watertight seal. This keeps your garage protected from the elements for years to come. It's designed and manufactured exclusively in the UK, ensuring high quality and reliability. You can trust in its superior craftsmanship. What we like. This kit boasts an ultra-strong adhesive and is made from durable marine-grade PVC, capable of withstanding heavy traffic. It's incredibly easy to install, requiring no drilling. If you need a heavy-duty seal that's simple to install, this is your best bet. What people say. Needed a product to keep the heavy rains from tracking under our garage door. After searching the reviews of multiple products, choose Weather Defender. Found it fairly easy to install, cut with heavy snips, black sealant holds very well. Product came as promised and in very good condition. Watch instruction video and had no problems. Just make sure you measure twice, place black sealant once. Since installing, we've had no water or nighttime bugs under the doors. Sealant works very well, holds up to a 43-foot motorhome running across it. Highly recommend. While it comes with written instructions, I watched the installation video they posted here on Amazon within the product photos. It's a relatively easy installation process and that video is very clear on steps I needed to take. After taking measurements, I used a hacksaw to cut and dry fit, then used the garage door to help me determine exactly where I wanted it installed. I then marked the concrete with a pencil per instructions. The adhesive is extremely thick. So the only challenging part of the installation was putting down the adhesive because I needed both hands of pressure on the caulk gun to squeeze it from the tube. Other than that, it's a really good solution. I did not have to adjust the garage door opener settings, specifically the travel distance setting. It just works fine as it was. I bought 2 10-foot 6 threshold seal kits. They arrived very quickly and the quality of the thresholds are very good. Instructions are good and installation was not difficult. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.